guys, how my cousins doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So, you guys, are you sure? Absolutely sure you're doing good? Because your girl is doing wonderful. I'm a little tired, but I'm definitely hungry. So, today, you guys, I decided to bring you guys a car mukbang. Mukbang, okay? So, we got us some tacos, a double stacker nacho tacos. I guess I said that right. But anywho, so anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are truly doing good. So today, you guys, this is the soft and hard shell. You guys, let me see if I can get you guys to see this. Taco Bell only, they have it for 99 cents. You guys, can you see it? I'm trying not to waste anything. So yeah, we got us a couple of these. Let me see, what can I do? Got a couple of these that we're gonna crunch on right quick because I gotta make an errand. So I need you guys to stay tuned for the next video, you guys. The next video, stay tuned for. Share this video, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already part of the family. I would love to have you, so make sure you leave a comment below so I know where to go. So yes, you guys, I took a little break, nothing major, from cooking. And you guys, you go to first bite, get into that bite, you guys. Can you guys see it? Get into that bite. So yeah, mm, mm, mm. I haven't had tacos in so long from Taco Bell. From Taco Bell. But yeah, you guys, like I said, pay attention to the next video. Your girl is preparing herself for her birthday. Well, really, I don't know if that's going to be the next video. So let's just say watch the channel. Yeah, that is so good. I think I'm addicted. I'm up here picking up my grandson. They done started him in drama. So let me tell y'all what happened. So me and my daughter decides to go to Denny's. And when we goes to Denny's, and it's right off of in the Roseville area of Detroit, we noticed last couple of visits wasn't nobody in there. It seemed as if they cannot hold employees. So as we proceed to go in there was a young man, and he was a waiter. And he said, I'm going to see them. You know, he was referring to whoever the young lady was. And do you know, he tells us that he's going to sit us. You know, he's going to sit us. And then he's quitting. So you know I asked the question, right? Why? And he said, my mother passed away yesterday, and they won't give him the time off. I was livid. So I tells him, you don't have to see that. Out of respect for your mom, I'm going to walk out this door. Because there wasn't no customers in there but one customer. Well, there was a couple, I'm assuming, and us. And I could not find myself to have him seek me and they not have any respect for the customers, let alone their employees. And the lady was watching him like a hawk. I'm assuming she was the manager over here. She was watching him like a hawk. And I just got up and I told my daughter, let's go. And let's go. Because that was sad. To me, that's sad. You guys, I got the same thing. I don't too much food with pop. Well, you can't see the stuff, but yeah, it's in there. I too much don't food with pop and stuff like that anymore, and I don't know why I wasn't thinking to get me some water. But I'm only gonna eat these two. But out of mad respect for him and his mom, you know, you just, I don't know. And I'll never forget his name. His name, he told me his name was Edison. And Edison just crossed my mind as I was eating the taco. But it's so sad when we don't have respect for people in general. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. I like the Diablo sauce. I don't know why I wasn't thinking to tell her to give me that. And I noticed IHOP, because I love to go there too as well. I noticed IHOP doesn't have a lot of customers as well. And I get it. The restaurants is all about their money. I get it. And they wonder why people are asking for $15 an hour. If you want them to work in such conditions, they deserve it. They deserve it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You cannot beat this for $1. You can't beat it. Double stacker, nacho cheese. Yeah. I was leaving home so quick I forgot my glass. Mm. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. Thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not part of the fam. Leave a comment below so I know where to go. Mm. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.